Hi there. Today I wanted to talk about how I add my links to sign up to my mailing list in my stories. So, this is my story. I've written my title, my subtitle, I've written some content. Now, what I always do is I put in a little divider to make it clear that my link is separate from my story. Then I write my hook. My hook is something that's going to be something interesting, something a bit intriguing, something that's going to make people want to go like, oh yeah, I am interested in that, and then click on it ideally and sign up. So for me, this might be, get my 4-day email course on making money with Medium. Perfect. Now what I do is I highlight it, and then I click this little link here, which lets me add a hyperlink. Now for me, I use ConvertKit, which is over here. This is the form I want to use, so I click share. I copy that, and let's go back in here, and I paste it in. That underlines it. I always like to make it stand out a little bit more, so I bold it as well. This can be anything you like. I know a lot of people who just write, let's stay in touch, and they use that. Some people, sign up to webinars, anything you like. It's just something that's going to make people interested, intrigued, and want to click and sign up. That's how I add my hyperlink in to sign up to my mailing list.